Hello everyone, myself Gyan Singh Kushwaha. I am a student of JNKBB College of Agriculture, Diba. Today I am going to present my topic Weeder seed production of soybean. Introduced to weeder seed production of soybean. Weeder seed production is the foundation of soybean cultivation, ensuring the genetic purity and quality of parent stock. This process lays the groundwork for subsequent seed generation, ultimately impacting crop yield and performance. Importance of weeder seed in soybean cultivation. Weeder seed is the foundation for soybean production, ensuring the genetic purity and superior plant performance. It serves as the source for subsequent generation of certified and commercial seed, directly impacting crop yield, disease resistance, and overall quality of the harvested soybean. Maintaining the genetic integrity of weeder seed is critical as it enables farmers to grow constantly high-performing soybean crops year after year. Weeder seed underpins the entire soybean supply chain from research and development to large-scale commercial cultivation. Genetic purity maintenance in weeder seed production. First, stringent field inspection to identify rogue out of homogeneity plants injuring the genetic. Second, meticulous isolation and spacing requirement to prevent cross-pollination with other soybean variety. And third, comprehensive testing for purity and germination utilizing advanced analytic technique. And fourth, detailed documentation and record keeping to track the lineage and provenance of each weeder seed lot. And fifth, specialized storage condition to maintain seed vigor and viability during long-term storage. Weeder seed production technique. First, field selection. Carefully select isolated field with a history of high purity to minimize cross-contamination risk. And second, controlled pollination. Employ hand pollination or bees in caged enclosures to maintain genetic integrity during. And third, rigorous proving. Conduct regular field inspection to identify and remove off-type plants. Ensure the breeder seed to remain genetically pure. Land selection and preparation for weeder seed plot. Selecting the right land is crucial for producing high quality weeder seeds. Isolated field with a history of genetic purity and minimum weed pressures are ideal. Through soil testing, deep plowing, and precision labeling ensure optimal growing condition for the soybean plants. Sowing and crop management practices. First, precise sowing technique. Utilize high precision planters to ensure uniform seed depth, spacing, and population for optimal germination and plant establishment. Second, tailored fertilizer application. Apply a balanced research-backed nutrient regimen to support vigorous soybean growth development during the critical early stage. And third, proactive weed and pest control. Implement an integrated pest management plan incorporating strategic cultivation, manual roguing, and select use of approved herbicide and pesticide. Roguing and monitoring of weeder seed plots. First, meticulous field inspection are crucial for maintaining the genetic purity of weeder soybean seed plots. Expert agronomists conduct regular systemic roguing to identify and remove any off-type or undesirable plants, ensuring the weeder seed stock remains true to type. Robust monitoring protocols are implemented to continuously assess plant health, vigor, and genetic uniformity throughout the growing season. Harvesting, drying, processing of weeder seeds. Carefully harvesting. Weeder soybean seeds are meticulously harvested by hand or with specialized combined harvesters to preserve their genetic purity and viability. Second, precise drying. After harvesting, the weeder seeds undergo a controlled drying process to reduce moisture content and maintain optimal seed quality. Third, rigorous processing. The weeder seeds are then carefully cleaned, graded, and packaged to ensure they meet the stricted purity and germination standard. Quality control and certification of weeder seeds. First, rigorous testing. Second, certification protocol. Third, traceability records. And fourth, ongoing monitoring. Storage and distribution of weeder seeds. First, controlled environment. Weeder seeds are stored in climate controlled facility with precise temperature, humidity, and ventilation to maintain their viability and genetic integrity. Second, secured inventory. Comprehensive record keeping and inventory management systems track the lineage, quantity, and location of each breeder seed to lot ensure traceability. And third, efficient distribution. Breeder seeds are distributed through a network of certified seeds producers and distributors to ensure timely availability to soybean growers. And fourth, rigorous oversight. Regulatory agency closely monitor the storage, transportation, and distribution of breeder seed to uphold the highest quality standard. Thank you, everyone.